Okay, listen up, everybody. Turn up your volumes. Announcement. I got good news. We're extending arts and crafts time by 4 hours today.
What's up, boob tubers? I am at a buddy's house. He has so graciously offered to assist in welding trophies, the trophies that I make for my car show that I do twice a year. It's all old car parts and stuff that I get donated, and had an incident last year where I wanted to give out a trophy, but it literally broke as I was getting it out of my truck. So there's that one. So we're gonna try to fix that. It would have been cool. Yeah, I could have like gorilla glued it or something.
No, we can do better than that. We'll make it stick.
All right, we're gonna fix that one. Yeah. So anyway, he's got the super duper cool little welder.
Oh, you mean the Home Depot special? Yeah.
No, these are actually, it's a Lincoln. You can't go wrong with a Lincoln, right?
Yeah,
it's almost as good as a Cadillac. Yeah. But I like the whole welding section here in the shop. So yeah, this is way more professional than anything that I've got. Here's all our parts. We're just gonna, I don't know, throw stuff at the wall and see what sticks, really. Well, not that wall. That wall's too nice. Hi, Bear. Shop dog. I put on a clinic for people like how to set up your shop.
You know, there might be a video about that next week. We clamp that to this, and we put the clamp on the table. It'll put the current through all that. And
oh,
then we
you
don't have to clamp
see,
to the
you're
piece
being all
itself.
smart. I would have just like, I stuck my clamp like directly on this, well before I painted and all that.
It's a better
yeah.
connection, but that'll do it too.
Okay. I like it when people think. Oh, that's all right. Unless my video is going to get kicked off of YouTube because it caught the background music. We have so many parts to choose from. What will it look like in the end?
You gotta get it just right. We need 37 degrees. Go.
Whack it.
Oh,
Maybe.
that's never gonna run the same again.
No,
It'll run way better. That's what I mean.
Yeah, because I put the angle on there now.
Uh-huh.
The angle of the dangle actually increases the heat of the meat.
More MPGs too.
Love it when a plan comes together. Were you primping?
Yeah.
Were you really just doing that?
I did.
That trophy right there, I don't want to show.
Oh.
This one over here.
Oh, the good one? You
This
have to
is
show me?
a secret right here. I'm blocking it with my hand. That's a secret, so if you want to see that one,
It might catch on fire, actually. It's still hot.
if you want to see that one, you have to come to the show and you can see the finished product. But this is what we came up with. So this is one that I welded really crappy and it broke, and then Steven fixed it for me.
Yeah, you did some of that too, so it could still fall apart.
He's being modest. He did it. And then this one I kind of sort of had, and then we added to it, and yeah, he helped me fix this one too, because that was a crappy weld. And then we came up with a couple other ones. Yeah, once they're all painted, I think they'll look pretty cool. So if you don't know, back to the 80s and 90s show coming up in spring, Fort Worth Aviation Museum charity show. This year we're doing the Fort Worth Aviation Museum, which is one of our charities all the time. The second one's going to be Canines for Veterans. Super cool. They take rescue dogs and dogs from high kill shelters, and they train them, and they are basically therapy dogs and stuff for veterans. So it's kind of like, I love dogs, I want to do something for veterans, doing two things at once. So shout out to 0 to Awesome. I know, but you got to show the swag because you have swag.
Oh, speaking
but
of...
yes, but look at that. Shout out to 0 to Awesome with his awesome shop. I mean, who else do you know has And he hand painted that.
And then I hand painted the t-shirts too.
Did you really? Oh, yeah, shirts too. See, they got swag. So check them out. 0 to Awesome on the YouTubes. Thank you to this guy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.